If you have good levels of support and resistance, they work even when they don't work. So our green and red dotted lines are our position weighted average price, PWAP. You can see when it gets above it, it's bullish. It comes down, support, support, support. And then it's going to do something after like the first hour. And I want you to watch. Just watch it up here. And you're going to see it not only go through it, but go through it without any issues. Now let's back it up. Take a look at what it looks like on the right side through like a magnifying glass. You could see that if you were using these as support, a couple things that might have backed you away. Number one, the laser stayed green during the whole sequence, which means there were more longs and shorts as it approached and went through the PWAPs. Two big buy pulses, these blue boxes, which means a order of 100 or more aggressively came in and bought, and price didn't seem to want to rally. It rejected it right here. So there were disqualifying moments to get long and use those as support. But here's why they work when they don't work. Because when you go through with relative ease, somewhere in here, you should have a B to B moment, we call it. In this case, bullish to bearish. If you were bullish, you probably shouldn't be anymore. You don't have to be bearish, but you should begin to change your mind. And this is what could help eliminate or minimize a confirmation bias. If you have a bias, if you have tools that give you the bias, then you're not going to become personally attached to that bias. And that's the problem with traders, is that we are human. So we're going to want to confirm what we think because we love being wrong. We love being right and hate being wrong. Absolutely hate it. And so if you allow the tools to make the decisions for you, you become more objective. But yes, this was the bullish to bearish moment just after 9 Central, and you could see how much the levels then worked as resistance and how much downside this market had. Going to our next line in the sand, the VWAP. Bounced off of there, came into these PWAPs as resistance once, twice. Some point it's going to pop back through it. When it does, B to B the other way, bearish to bullish. Somewhere in here. And the market rallies. It's just if you have good lines in the sand, they work even when they don't work.